Hello, extending kids. You're welcome to today's class. I want you to listen carefully as we go through our lesson titled Colonial Role in Africa. Get your writing materials and pay rapt attention. Now, Africa lost a lot of people in the past through slave trade. Now, you can see the picture of how Africans were used as slaves. They were being sold to European countries as slave. Now, many ancient African kingdoms traded with Europeans in exchange for weapons. So many ancient African kingdoms sold Africans to European countries just to get weapons for battles. You can see the picture of some weapons they traded to get. Now, these European countries discovered that Africa was very rich in different natural resources like gold, like diamond, sugarcane, and lots more. So due to this, they divided Africa among themselves. And this was called the partition of Africa. Now, the European countries that divided Africa were Germans, Portuguese, Belgians, British, and the French. So these were the European countries that divided Africa. Now, in the year 1500, the Portuguese were the first to enter into Lagos. Now, British traders and their soldiers forcefully took over Niger Delta. The British traders seek authority to begin to govern Niger Delta. The authority was known as Charter, and this authority was granted by their British government, and they started governing the Niger Delta. And the British traders formed a company called the Royal Niger Company. Now, in the year 1901, the year when Nigeria fully became a colony of British government, the British government took over the land which belonged to the Royal Niger Company. They took it over, and also in the year 1901, Nigeria was divided into the Northern Protectorate, Southern Protectorate, and the colony of Lagos. So in the year 1901, that was when Nigeria was divided into the Northern and Southern Protectorate. So you can see it, Northern Nigeria and the Southern Nigeria. Now, before Europeans came into Africa, Africans organized themselves into clans, villages, kingdoms, and empires. So before the European came into Africa, Africa organized themselves into small clans, villages, kingdoms, and empires. But the coming of the Europeans spoiled the cultural, political, and economic system of Africa because they were no longer ruling themselves. Now, let's talk about the amalgamation of Nigeria. Amalgamation has to do with the joining of the Northern and Southern Protectorate, which took place in the year 1914 under the governorship of Lord Frederick Lugard. So the Southern and the Northern Protectorate was joined together with that of the colony of Lagos to make one Nigeria. Now, let's look at some interactive questions before we go. Who were the first Europeans to enter Lagos? A. France, B. German, C. Portuguese. The right option is C. Portuguese. The second interactive question says, Africa lost a lot of people due to dash. A. Slave trade,